Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Entrepreneurs, ready to build your online store? In this video, we will show you how to create an e-commerce site using GoDaddy Website Builder. Follow along as we set up your shop, our products, and configure payment options. Let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So guys, to make sure that you are creating a good website on GoDaddy, you have to follow these steps. Then you have in the second part of the video is basically how to make that website for like e-commerce, and then right after that we're gonna configure the details of that e-commerce website. So first of all, how do we create a website in GoDaddy? It's pretty simple. Go to websites and choose website builder free trial, as you can see. So this one comes with a free trial, so for those who are beginners, you can literally create one for free, start making stuff on it, edit, remove, add, and then once you feel like you are expert using GoDaddy builder, website builder, then you can go and buy the premium plans. Now for the premium plans, as you can see, there's basic, premium, and finally the commerce. The commerce one is the best one for commerce and the guys who are going to be basically using commerce in their website, because basically you are getting this option which gives you the ability to sell a limited product, sell only the marketplaces, automated inventory synchronization across channels, and automated sales tax calculator, and you can send over 100k mail marketing per month. So this is what you get by buying the commerce plan. But of course, with the normal plan you can be able to sell products, but you will not have a limited amount of product that you can add. There will be a limited number for each plan. For example, basic is going to be a certain number, for premium higher than that, and commerce unlimited. So for now I have basically my account ready to use, so I have already my domain and website ready. So now what I'm gonna do, this is my domain, click on create a website, and then once I clicked on that, they will take me to this page. Now here, this is the most important part. You have to choose the thing that will help you in your e-commerce website. So here I'm going to, of course, choose sell with an online store, accept online bill payments or donations, and then click on continue. Here I'm going, what kind of website do you want? I'm going to choose commerce, e-commerce. There we go. Continue. And how should we call, or what should we call your website? So let's choose, for example, a name, Titan Shop. Then click on continue, and as you can see now, the website will be created. We just have to wait a couple minutes and it should be done and ready to go. So this is the website. This is our website basically. This is how it looks like. Pretty cool, pretty good. Nothing dangerous about it. So now what should we do next? So basically it's pretty easy for me. I'm just going to close because I don't need to take a tour. Now what we should do is basically in the bottom here, or here in the right menu, you will find the pages, and in the bottom you will find shortcuts. Click on store, and as you can see, click on manage store. From this page, guys, you will be able to manage and go to the details of your store, our product, our description to your product, and payments, etc, etc, etc. So first of all, now here, as you can see, you have to add a certain product. Let's click on add product, as you can see. So click on add. You can either add it like manually, or import it so they can be added automatically. Now we should sell a product. Let's say, for example, I'm going to sell iPhone 15, and then I'm gonna get like a cool picture of it. There we go. Let's download this one. I'm gonna click here, add image, this one. Let's let it be done downloading, and the next thing is insert. So this is the picture. You can even add a video if you wanted to. Now after we've done with that, I'm going to copy this from this page, couple details. So product name, price, for example. There we go, price. Let me just reduce a couple of zeros, and yeah, this is basically how it's gonna be in price. Let me just make this, for example, 5 or 4. So this is the price of it, and this is the sale price. So this is how much I'm gonna sell it for you. It's like a discount thing. So product category, let's add here Apple, save, okay, and here SKU, so phone 15500, we don't need that. Here tax category, non taxable, and here we should add a description. So for description, I don't think I can have it, or can I copy it? Maybe I can copy it. Let me just try. Paste it right here. Yeah, the images didn't really copy, but yeah, you got the idea. Now what you should do next is basically add the details about your inventory. If you do have inventory, for example, I have an amount of 10 iPhones that I can sell. So once there is 10 orders of the specific iPhone, the people that come into our websites can no longer order this iPhone. So this is something very cool, so people can know what when you are out of stock. Basically here the shipping, so you can choose the shipping, the weight, give details about it, and give the shipping prices depending on location. Here search engine, so you can here add like keywords, etc, so you can like progress and develop your search engine or SEO, so you can have higher chances in being like shown in the first 3 pages of Google, or basically the first page of Google. Since now they have no longer 3 pages, they basically have 1 page that can go all the way to the bottom. As you can see, there is no longer the option of going on different pages. So here the thing, and here is the file, so you can add here brand, manufacturer, model number, MSRP, type, etc. So this is for our product. Now I'm going to simply click on save, and once I've done that, the product should be added. Now how can we add it to our website? This is something pretty simple as well. So go to your shop, and basically here this is the page of our shop, and I'm going to add a section. So let me just create a store. I have it already. Let me just remove it. Online store, and as you can see, this is exactly our place. So let's create your online store. You can always make changes later. So this is exactly the place where I add the iPhone. As you can see, it is right here. It is here. So this is the iPhone pink that I have added as an image, and basically this is how you can add a product. Now for GoDaddy payments, you can go here to add your payments. So click on here, and you will find the payment hub, where you can add every single payments that you want. For example, here go to the settings, and you will be able to find a lot of details. So here you have to add your bank account, you have to add resulting statements, you have to go here to settings to make sure to accept the payment method through here. So as you can see, this is the payment method which is located in settings, and they accept GoDaddy payments, PayPal, offline payments like cash on delivery, and much more. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys, and let's meet in the next tutorial.